Hi everyone, sorry don't have long time video with Shaira. Shaira feel not good sleep, but now I'm busy at home always. You know, in the Philippines right now, typhoon, heavy rain always, and our roof leak again. I fixed before, but need again fix, and I already fixed it. I don't know for how long time. I will show to you what happened. This is our roof. During rain, if wet, slippery, that's why it's not easy. And take a look, I show to you our place. I know this house also leak. Okay, I will show to you what I fixed. I already fixed. I bought in Lazada. This is material. Tape. I don't know how to say. And I fixed already. Problem. Worker before build house. They put a gutter. This is gutter. They put gutter not correctly. I will explain in the some picture, and you will know. Sorry for my English. This is gutter. It's three parts of gutter, three connect, and some of they connect not good. This before I put for because bird always bird here and leak because gutter not correct installed here also. I already fixed here with hot air. This one. And problem, water stay in the center of the roof, not going to the down, because they not correctly installed. See, this is window. It's our bedroom. This is bathroom. CR. How many times I fix it? It's because weather different. If hot gutter is maybe move. I don't know. Take a look our barangay. This is Israeli church, Shalom Church, and you can see also Clark International Airport. And this building, I don't know what. And this is building is Georgi. Georgi live. He have 3 floors. Safety here. But Georgi never go to this 3rd floor, never. He have washing machine, maybe you watch already video. He only stay in 1 room. I will show where. This is Georgi window, and this is Georgi CR. Here. And this is Shaira father want to put in garbage maybe. He said not need. That's why he put like this. Dirty here always. Because wind and rain. He said he not need. That's why he want to put in garbage. This is our roof also. It's also anti-bird. This is our road. This is, you can see Carnival. Hi. And this is swimming pool, 2 swimming pool. This is land is for sale. I asked him before 10,000 peso per square meter. 10,000 peso. This is area 10,000 peso. And this now for rent, 6 months rent. So someone can build house here. It's never flooded, never. But this part already may be cheaper. Also, it's all for sale land. And very close to MacArthur Highway. And this is MacArthur Highway side, 5 minutes drive car, 20 minutes walk. And this is NLEX. Okay, I go to home. Shira sleep. Nighttime she not sleep. She said pain. And that's why we not go outside. Maybe if I go outside alone without Shira, just only walking video maybe. Because I don't like staying home. But if still rain, of course I not go for rainy days. Thank you for watching and see you next video. This is my tools I bought in Lazada. 20 meters I pay 200 peso because it's discounted. Discounted price 200 peso only. With delivery already. This is small. Again rain now. But roof now not leak. I check already. I hope not leak again.